Hi students, let's move further for the chapter number 2, topic male reproductive unit, standard 12. Male reproductive unit has the two main part, that is anther and the filament. In figure you can clearly see this two bilobed part is an anther and it is attached with very thin slender like structure known as filament to the petals or maybe to the sepals too. And this is transverse section of an anther in which you can see 4 lobes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, in which you can clearly see these blue dots which I made. They are pollen grains. They are in the pollen sac. They are covered in the pollen sac. And this is one part, 2, 3 and 4. So A diagram is for a typical stamen part and B is a transverse section of an anther. If in your exam question asks, explain male reproductive unit for flowering plant, you have to draw this two figure and explain their part. Now let's move further for the explanation part. Stamen. Stamen is the male reproductive unit. It consists two parts. One is filament and another is anther. Filament is a long, slender, stack-like structure. You can see the figure. It's a long, slender-like structure. And an anther, it is bilobed. 1 and 2. These are the two lobes which contain pollen grains. Now let's move further with the structure of anther. These two anther lobes, they are separated by connective tissue. These two lobes are separated by connective tissues. They are bilobed and each lobe is separated by septum. They have a separate septum. It is a tetragonal structure, consists of 4 microsporangia. Now let's see this tetragonal structure. This is 1, 2, 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4 tetragonal structure and have a 4 microsporangia, and each develop and converted, that transported into pollen sacs. See, this microsporangia develop and get transported into pollen sac. So what we have to memorize? If question asks, explain male reproductive unit, we have to explain anther and the transverse section of an anther by the diagram. What is stamen? Male reproductive unit consists of two parts, filament and anther. And the structure of anther, it is bilobed. Both lobes are separated by connective tissue. They are tetragonal in structure, consist of 4 microsporangia. These microsporangia develop and get transported into pollen sacs, which are filled with the pollen grains. Thank you.